C.
A C. That is interesting. Okay, so where's the letter C? I need to see it. Oh, letter C.
Yeah, this is the letter C.
Interesting. And what does the letter C start with? Or what word should I say? Ooh, what is that?
It's a car.
A car. Wow. And what do you do with a car?
You push them, or you can also drive them.
Drive? What does drive mean?
We have some outside.
Oh, we got some cars outside. Oh, I see two beautiful cars outside. They look nice. So what do you do with them? Do you go to school in a car?
Yes. My mom drives us to school in the car.
Oh, your mommy takes you to school in a car? Very nice. Does she pick you up in a car too? Why does she keep laughing at me? Does she pick you up in a car too?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So that is a car.
Yeah, so that's a car. So we're gonna move on to the next letter.
She's still laughing at me.
So what's the next letter in the alphabet?